Welcome to Michigan, a state where the natural world reveals itself in breathtaking diversity. Bound by 4 of the 5 Great Lakes, Michigan is a peninsula of peninsulas, its shores sculpted by the relentless power of water and time. From the towering sand dunes of its western coast to the ancient forests of its northern reaches, Michigan offers a journey through a landscape as captivating as it is varied. Join us now as we venture into the heart of the Great Lakes state, to explore the wonders that await those who seek the beauty of the natural world. Michigan's very essence is shaped by the vast expanse of the Great Lakes. Its 2 peninsulas, the upper and the lower, embrace these freshwater giants, forming a coastline that stretches for thousands of miles. Each lake possesses a distinct character, a unique personality reflected in the landscapes they caress. Lake Superior, the largest and most powerful, holds an almost mythical status, its depths concealing shipwrecks and legends. Lake Michigan, with its sweeping dunes and picturesque shoreline towns, exudes a gentler charm. Lake Huron, dotted with islands and inlets, offers a haven for wildlife and a playground for kayakers and sailors. Lake Erie, the shallowest and warmest of the Great Lakes, teems with fish and supports a vibrant ecosystem. And then there's Lake St. Clair, a smaller but no less significant body of water, connecting Lake Huron to Lake Erie and serving as a vital stopover for migrating birds. These 5 freshwater giants together weave a tapestry of aquatic wonder that defines Michigan's identity. Adventure inland, and you'll find yourself enveloped in a sea of green. Forests vast and ancient blanket much of Michigan, particularly the Upper Peninsula. Here, towering pines stand as silent sentinels, their canopies filtering sunlight onto a forest floor carpeted in ferns and moss. The air is alive with the scent of pine needles and damp earth, a sensory symphony that speaks of tranquility and wildness. Within these emerald expanses lie protected havens, parks dedicated to preserving the pristine beauty of Michigan's wilderness. Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park, a rugged landscape of mountains, lakes and waterfalls, offers a glimpse into the untamed heart of the Upper Peninsula. Isle Royale National Park, an island wilderness accessible only by boat or seaplane, provides a sanctuary for wolves and moose, their ancient dance of predator and prey unfolding undisturbed. These forests and parks are a testament to Michigan's commitment to safeguarding its natural heritage. Michigan's diverse landscapes provide a haven for a remarkable array of wildlife. White-tailed deer, their coats gleaming in the dappled sunlight, are a common sight, gracefully navigating the forests and meadows. Black bears, elusive and powerful, roam the wilderness, their presence a reminder of the untamed spirit of the North. Wolves, once on the brink of extinction, have made a remarkable comeback, their haunting howls echoing through the forests, a symbol of wilderness restored. And soaring high above it all, bald eagles, their wingspans stretching over 6 feet, command the skies, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. But it's not just the large mammals that captivate. Birdwatchers flock to Michigan, drawn by the opportunity to witness the vibrant plumage and melodic songs of countless species. Warblers flit through the trees, their colors as bright as jewels. Sandhill cranes perform their elegant mating dances in open meadows. And along the shores of the Great Lakes, shorebirds probe the sand with their beaks, their calls mingling with the rhythm of the waves. Along Michigan's western coast, the landscape transforms into a scene of almost surreal beauty. Here, towering sand dunes, sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and water, rise from the shores of Lake Michigan like golden mountains. Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore, a place of breathtaking vistas and ever-shifting sands, embodies the captivating power of these coastal giants. Climb to the crest of a dune and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Lake Michigan, its blue expanse stretching to the horizon. The air is filled with the sound of the wind, whispering tales of ancient times, of glaciers carving out the landscape, of forests giving way to sand. But it's not just the dunes that captivate. Coastal areas like Saugatuck Dunes State Park offer a tapestry of habitats, from sandy beaches to forested trails, providing a haven for a diverse array of plants and animals. Michigan experiences a continental climate with warm summers and cold, snowy winters. Each season paints the landscape in its own unique palette, transforming the familiar into something new and wondrous. Spring arrives with a burst of color as wildflowers carpet the forest floor and trees awaken from their winter slumber. Summer brings warm days perfect for swimming in the Great Lakes, hiking through lush forests, or simply relaxing on a sandy beach. As autumn approaches, the leaves transform into a kaleidoscope of reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a breathtaking display of natural artistry. And then comes winter, blanketing the landscape in a pristine white. The air turns crisp and invigorating, inviting adventure seekers to experience the thrill of snowmobiling through snow-covered forests, skiing down pristine slopes, or ice fishing on frozen lakes. Each season offers its own unique charm, making Michigan a year-round destination for nature enthusiasts. Michigan's geological history is a tale written in stone, a story of ancient seas, colliding continents, and the relentless forces of erosion. The Upper Peninsula, jutting out into Lake Superior, is a testament to this tumultuous past. Here, ancient lava flows, now solidified into rock, form a rugged landscape of cliffs, waterfalls, and hidden coves. The rocks themselves tell a story, their layers revealing the passage of eons, their mineral veins hinting at the Earth's hidden treasures. Further south, along the shores of Lake Superior, lies Pictured Rock's National Lake Shore, a place where sandstone cliffs, sculpted by wind and water, rise majestically from the lake's edge. The cliffs are adorned with streaks of mineral stains, creating a canvas of vibrant colors that has earned the park its name. These geological wonders offer a glimpse into the deep time of our planet, reminding us of the forces that have shaped the world we know. The Upper Peninsula, with its rugged terrain and abundant rainfall, is home to a symphony of waterfalls, each one a unique expression of nature's power and beauty. Tahquamenon Falls, often referred to as the Root Beer Falls, for its distinctive amber hue, is a sight to behold. Its powerful currents cascade over a sandstone ledge, creating a thunderous roar that echoes through the surrounding forest. Munising Falls, nestled within a serene grotto, offers a more intimate experience. Its delicate veil of water plunges over a sandstone cliff, creating a soothing mist that nourishes the surrounding ferns and mosses. Bond Falls, with its series of cascading drops, creates a mesmerizing spectacle of water in motion. And Okyuk Falls, a gentler waterfall, invites visitors to wade in its cool, refreshing waters. These waterfalls, each with its own unique character, are a testament to the power of water to shape the landscape and inspire awe. Michigan's natural beauty is a precious legacy, one that requires careful stewardship to ensure its preservation for generations to come. Throughout the state, efforts are underway to protect and restore Michigan's natural treasures. Vast tracts of land have been set aside as state parks, national forests, and wilderness areas, safeguarding these ecosystems from development and exploitation. Environmental programs driven by a commitment to sustainability focus on preserving water quality, managing forests responsibly, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Volunteers play a vital role in these efforts, dedicating their time and energy to cleaning up beaches, restoring habitats, and educating others about the importance of conservation. These collective actions, driven by a shared love for Michigan's natural heritage, offer hope that future generations will be able to experience the same wonder and beauty that we enjoy today. As our journey through Michigan's natural wonders comes to an end, we are left with a profound appreciation for the diversity and beauty of this remarkable state. From the vast expanse of the Great Lakes to the towering sand dunes, from the ancient forests to the cascading waterfalls, Michigan offers a sensory feast for nature lovers of all kinds. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to reconnect with the natural world, Michigan offers an experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature journeys.